Yo.
Hey, Ryan. I got a lot of customers asking how they can get a copy of our pricing guide. Is there a way we can pull that up on the computer and show them how to do that?
You're talking about our nicely formatted PDF?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Okay, if you go on our website, vaporholdingtechnologies.com, on this top address bar, there's a Buy Wet Blasting Equipment tab. If you click it pulls up all of the machines in a nicely formatted table. If you click on one of those, it'll take you to that machine where you can learn a little bit about it. But if you want to download the PDF version, use this Download Our Price Guide red box right here. And when you select it, it takes you to another tab where you can see the price guide in the PDF version. You can download it, write on it, and do whatever you want to do with it.
Fantastic. And if you want a more updated version than what may be on the website, you can always call us at 828-220-4983, or you can hit us up on chat. We'll be happy to send that over to you. Good job, Ryan.
Thank you, Todd. And peace.